Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today for my tips on being productive and happy working from home. If you've always worked in an office environment, the transition to working from home is different, isn't it? You're going from an office full of people to just you in a room. Hi, I'm Rhonda, the Mature Diva. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I post videos weekly on the Mature Diva lifestyle on topics that inspire, uplift, educate, and make us laugh. If you're a returning Mature Diva or Devo, thanks for your support and you look fabulous. Today we're going to talk about 5 great tips to keep you productive and happy working from home. Tip number 1, build a routine. Don't skip your morning coffee. Get your Keurig ready and brew your favorite flavor. Also, do 5 minutes of a manifestation or meditation exercise to get your day started right. I have a great video I'm working on for next week, so stay tuned. Tip number 2, dress for business. Whether you're super casual or more professional, dress for success and take care of business. Remember, pajamas have their place. Tip number 3, use your Outlook task list, whiteboard, or your planner book to map out your top 3 goals to accomplish daily. You might ask why I'm only focusing on the top 3 goals when there's so much more to get done. Well, in my opinion, 3 goals are manageable and it feels great to cross things off of your to-do list that you've completed. Tip number 4, take a break. Put some music on. It can be disco, pop, rock, or whatever. Here's something funny I found. It's wall art that I just ordered on Amazon. It says, drink some coffee, put on some gangster rap, and handle it. Now that's funny to me, and I had to have it. So I'll have details on where I got it in the details section below. Speaking of music, go ahead and bust a move. You'll laugh and you'll have fun and you'll be in a good mood when you go to work. So here's a fun way to start a Zoom or Skype meeting with a fun activity. Ask people to demonstrate their go-to move at the beginning of a meeting. Ask people to bust a move, it'll be hilarious. Here's another reason to take a break. Your kids and pets need your attention. So take a break and play. They'll enjoy it and so will you. Bye guys. Tip number 5, decorate your office space. Make your office space pretty or cool and make it a place you want to spend your day in. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do this. For example, I love shopping at Big Lots, the Dollar Tree, Amazon, and Home Goods. In fact, when we can go shopping freely again, I'll do a home office decoration for under $100 shop with me video. In the meantime, I'll work on an Amazon best home office finds video. I've found shelves, candles, floral arrangements, lighting, decorative boxes, drapes, and lots of things. I'll put some ideas in the detail section below. I love scented candles because they add a little touch of color and some of the scents enhance your mood. Here's another idea. Hang your degrees, awards, and certificates on the wall. You've worked really hard and earned them, so show them off. That's it, everyone. 5 great tips to be productive and happy working from home. I hope you find this information helpful, that you're productive, and that you have fun making your office space look and feel fabulous. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more great videos. Until next time, be blessed, be happy, and be fabulous.